Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a vegetable. It is a versatile and nutritious food known for its unique flavor and texture. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as mushroom, mushroom, shroom, mushroom. An interesting fact about mushrooms is that they are not plants but fungi, and they play a crucial role in the ecosystem by breaking down organic matter. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about mushrooms, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.